Hi guys, I'm Christian Rank, so I'm going to stay cooking extract. Cooking, and this is a current king with the camera, a background effects. This is a good 5. Let's see, right. Yeah, right. I got points again, and at the back front, so parents, it seems like they're excited, so things, so parents, go back. I have to go up to sign so let's actually take off. Celebrate. Gosh, I don't know what I'm gonna do, right? Okay, so, alright, we should get it. Alright. I got it. Oh gosh. So cooking upgrades. Cooking's done. Current stop. Yeah, kind of bad cookies. Guys, I'm cooking. Sharp and alright. Alright, so this is cool. Okay, so I got that. So this is all right. Cut right. It's cool. Yeah. Yeah, experience. Everything. I got it doesn't to shipping and drinks. You can have a pepper drink. Drink. As a curry. Cooks doing ice, but and tank. Constant good drink. Good guys. So, Karen. Yeah. Okay, so Karen. There's a was a ranks for the surfing restaurant going. Well, guys, if you guys like the video, if you guys didn't, do subscribe and comment and comment what the is doing right. I certainly don't. It doesn't explain right. It was just right. It should be found right. But thanks.